Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anka and I do art and illustration related videos. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So today I'm filming another studio vlog. This particular week I had to do a lot of Patreon stuff, which was mainly pack up all my $15 Patreon rewards and also do the monthly desktop wallpaper for August. Now you will see me here with my cat. She's always helpful in this kind of situations, and here I'm just setting up my Patreon list and basically getting everything ready so I can pack it up and send it to the post office. Other than that, I've been working on a poster design, which you may have seen on my Instagram, and working hard to get my shop ready. But I also wanted to talk a bit about the music I use in my videos, because I do get a lot of questions about it. I do get a lot of mean comments about it also. But making YouTube videos implies that you use royalty-free music, and this has been a struggle for me for quite a while. I've used Artlist in the past, but recently discovered Filmstro, which is a royalty-free music subscription-based type of service and also an app. You can download tracks with a licensed document if you want to, or you can download their app and kind of customize each of their songs, because they do have a sort of customizable program in which you can play around with the momentum and the depth of the songs and mix them up. So this service comes with free pricing plans, a YouTuber one, a Pro and a Pro Plus. Each program comes with different licensing plans, and it's a really cool service which I think a lot of people who are making YouTube videos or any type of video will find useful. I think the YouTuber plan is quite reasonably priced, and you do get a lot of cool songs which I've actually used in this video. So if you like any of the songs, then I will leave a link in the description box so you can check their website out, and I will also leave a coupon code with 20% off if you do purchase any of their plans. Now bear in mind, the link down below is an affiliate link. I do get a small commission, but don't feel pressure to check anything out. I just wanted to mention this in case anybody is doing YouTube videos and is looking for royalty-free music other than the YouTube music library. So that's basically what I wanted to say in this video. I did the monthly desktop wallpaper here in my sketchbook. I used the Arteza real brush pens, which I really enjoy using. They're so easy to use. You don't have to clean up after them. Tons of colors. I do have a video all about these brush pens, and I will leave a link to Arteza in the description box as well if you do want to purchase something from them. But I wanted to do a really summery Mediterranean pattern. I wanted to do some lemons and leaves and botanical stuff, and I did use also my Ecoline liquid watercolors to add a few details at the end of the illustration. So if you stick till the end, you will see the final monthly desktop wallpaper that I give out on my Patreon monthly. So everything you want to know will be in the description box, including a link to my Patreon if you're curious about it. I hope you enjoyed this studio vlog. I didn't include too much because it's long as it is, but I think it's always nice to show a bit of behind the scenes and how my day usually looks when I work on illustrations and Patreon stuff and stuff like that. So leave a comment down below. Check out Filmstro if you're curious about royalty-free music, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!